Sure, here's a full YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone, covering the 2025 Oppo A32, with a natural flow and structured into sections like features, exterior, and a conclusion. It's written up to 800 words and avoids using quotation marks, numbers, and headings as requested. Welcome to FK iPhone, where we break down the latest tech without the sugar coating. Today we're talking about the newly launched 2025 Oppo A32. Oppo has been doing some serious work in the budget smartphone space, and this latest model might just be one of the best value for money phones of the year. Let's dive straight into what this phone brings to the table. Starting with the features, Oppo has clearly focused on balancing performance and efficiency. The A32 is powered by a new generation mid-range processor that handles everyday tasks smoothly. Whether it's switching between apps, watching videos, or playing lightweight games, the phone holds up really well. Oppo has also worked on optimizing the software side of things. It runs on the latest version of Color OS based on Android, and it feels snappy and responsive right out of the box. There's very little bloatware and the interface is clean, giving users a better experience overall. When it comes to display, Oppo has packed a bright and vibrant LCD panel with a smooth refresh rate. It's perfect for scrolling, watching content, and even reading under direct light. The touch response is also improved compared to last year's model, giving it a more premium feel even though it's positioned as a budget device. For media lovers, this is a big plus. On the storage and RAM front, Oppo has made sure there are enough options to suit different users. From casual users to multitaskers, the phone offers configurations that handle daily needs without slowing down. The internal storage is also expandable with a micro SD card, so space is not going to be a limitation for those who love to download a lot of apps or store media locally. Battery life is another area where the A32 impresses. The phone packs a large battery that easily lasts a full day with regular use. Streaming, calling, browsing, even light gaming, you can do all of that and still have some juice left by the evening. Oppo has also included fast charging support, which makes topping up the battery a lot quicker. No one likes being stuck near a wall socket for hours, and this phone definitely understands that. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the rear, the Oppo A32 features a triple lens setup that covers the basics well. There's a main lens for everyday shots, a depth sensor for portrait mode, and an additional lens for macro or ultra-wide shots depending on the region. While it's not designed to be a photography powerhouse, it's more than enough for social media, casual snaps, and video calls. The camera app is easy to use and has all the basic modes including night, portrait, and panorama. Selfie lovers will also appreciate the front-facing camera, which delivers clear and balanced images. Moving on to the exterior, the Oppo A32 has a sleek and minimalistic design. The back panel has a matte finish that looks modern and feels good in the hand. The curves are subtle, and the build quality is surprisingly solid for its price range. The camera module is tucked into one corner and doesn't protrude too much, which means the phone can lie flat on a table without wobbling. Button placement is ergonomic, and the side-mounted fingerprint sensor is both fast and reliable. Oppo is also keeping it simple with color options. The A32 comes in a few classy shades, avoiding those loud flashy designs that some other brands push in the budget category. It looks mature and refined, which will appeal to users of all ages. The phone also includes a headphone jack, a dedicated SD card slot, and USB Type-C for charging. It checks all the boxes for practical features that real users care about. Even the speaker quality is decent enough for media consumption and video calls. So what's the final verdict on the 2025 Oppo A32 for anyone looking for a dependable, well-rounded budget phone? This one stands out. Oppo has struck the right balance between performance, design, and price. It's not trying to be the flashiest phone in the market, but it delivers where it matters. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking for a good secondary device, the A32 is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review on FK iPhone. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest takes on the latest smartphones. Catch you in the next one. Let me know if you want a more energetic or sarcastic tone, or if you'd like the script adapted for a voiceover with added pauses or call to actions.